A professional photo in your CV is a must. Here's how to replace the background of a photo to use it for a job application. If you just did a high school or college graduation photo shoot and don't want to spend more money on another for CV photos, I will show you a tool that you can use to quickly turn those photos shot in various locations, therefore not really fit for a job application photo, in CV photos with a clean professional background. The easy-to-use software I'm going to use is the batch image editor in the UniConverter that has various functions for batch image editing, including an automatic background replacer. To get the UniConverter, go to videoconverter.wondershare.com and download it from there. Once you have the UniConverter up and running, go to the image section and open the batch image editor tool. Next, import your photo or photos. I'll show you how to use this task on various photos here. Now, the first thing we want to do is crop these photos to make them look like headshots. I'll use a square aspect ratio and I'll just crop them from the chest up, basically. For headshots, the eyeline should be on about the upper third line here. I'll apply this to all, but then I go through them one by one to make sure all of the crops are perfect. Alright, now that we have them cropped, I'll run the Auto Enhancer AI function to amplify the details a bit, since we crop in the images, therefore they might look a bit more blurry. And then I'm just gonna click on the background replacer function, and here I'll choose either a plain color background, something from the templates here, or you can also add a custom background as well, but I'll go with white, as that's pretty standard for CV photos. Click on apply. Alright, now the final step is exporting the images. First, click on the settings button here and choose your output folder and your output format. I'll go with JPEG. Finally, click on export. Let's wait until it processes them. The images have been cropped, enhanced, and their backgrounds have been replaced as well. So this has been a fast way to change the background of your photos and do small edits on them. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and leave a thumbs up on this video. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.